Hi, mathletes. Today we're going to look at mean and hopefully have a better understanding of it. And we're going to do this by using towers. So let's level the towers so that they're all the same height. So here we have two towers, and if I move one of the yellow blocks to the left, you'll see that it is now leveled. Let's try the blue. And again, moving the towers so that they're the blocks so that they're the same height. And the green. So you can see that these three towers are leveled. So what do you see, think, and wonder? You might want to pause the video here so you have some time to look at these. Let's try some more. Now we're going to use three towers. And we leveled them. Another one with three towers. And leveled. And now we have four towers. And also leveled. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. This one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towers. And that one leveled. And now we have 6. Lots of towers. But again, it looks like it's going to level. Yep. And another 6 towers. This is our green ones. And we're just going to move these blocks to try to level the towers. And they're all leveled. So how do you think leveling these towers relates to the mean? Well, I noticed that the height of each tower was leveled. And that leveled is actually the mean. So if I look at the purple one, I notice that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 towers high. So that means that it is the mean of 7. So there's 7 blocks in each tower. And in the orange one, it's 8 blocks in each tower. And in the green one, it's 6 blocks in each tower. So let's level some more towers. So here we have a blue one, and we're going to level it. What would the mean be? If you say 3, you're correct. And how about the mauve? And again, what would the mean be? And that one would be 5. And now let's look at the yellow. Uh-oh, what happened? Let's try another one. Let's try the green. Uh-oh, it happened again. It doesn't look like the yellow one or the green one can be leveled. Let's try some more. Okay, we'll try this. And, that one leveled. Nice. Okay, how about the blue one? And this one, same thing. It's not leveling. How about this big green one? Do you think it's going to level? Let's see. We're moving our blocks. And close, but no, it's not leveled. So what do you see, think, or wonder? Again, you might want to pause the video and look at this for a bit. Well, let's use our leveling method to find the mean. And we talked about this a little bit earlier in the video. So when I level it and it's nice and level, we can count the number of blocks in the tower. And in this case, it's 6 blocks high. So the mean is 6. In the light blue one, we level it. And it looks like it's 5 blocks high. So that means that the mean is 5. Let's try the same thing, but this time we're going to use the green. That's nicely leveled. So the mean is 6. Again, 6 blocks high. For the turquoise, nice and level. And again, the mean is 5 because it's 5 blocks high. Each tower is made up of 5 blocks. And the purple. Oh, these are short towers, only 3 blocks high. So the mean is 3. And another yellow one. Uh-oh. That's the same thing that we had happen before where it doesn't level. So what would the mean be? Well, let's think about what we know. We know that the first 4 towers are 5 high and the last 4 towers are 6 high. If I could cut these blocks in half right here, these last 4 blocks, and put them on top of the 5, it would be 5.5 high, which is halfway between 5 and 6. So the mean would be 5.5. Let's try the purple one. Oh, the same thing happened. We've got 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. So halfway between 4 and 5 is 4.5. So the mean is 4.5. Oh, how about the red? Looks like the same thing happened here. 666,777. So it looks like it's going to be 6.5 for my mean. And the light blues, same thing again. It looks like I have, that I have 555,666. So 5.5. So here's the last one that we're going to do. Leveling it out. And this time I noticed that the tall ones are over to the left, where I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4. And does that affect the mean? No, it doesn't matter if it's on the left or the right. So for this one, the mean is going to be 4.5. But besides leveling, do you think there's another way we can find the mean? Well, what if we count how many blocks there are? So we count the blocks, and I counted 36 blocks. And then I counted how many columns or towers there were. And there's 8 towers. So if I find the quotient of 36 and 8, I end up with 4.5. And on the previous screen, that was the mean, 4.5. Well, let's try another one. Okay, let's look at this guy. This is one that we did before, and we found out that the mean was 5.5. So how many blocks are there? Well, I counted 33. And how many towers are there? I counted 6. So the quotient of 33 and 6 is, it's also 5.5. So that's another way that you can find the mean. So 2 different ways. You can do your towers, or you can count all the blocks and divide by the number of towers. So I hope that helps so that you can visually see how to figure out the mean and what the mean means. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please watch some of my other ones. And as always, thank you for watching.